Hi, I'm Adam with Finding Self-Reliance. In our last video, we fixed the road or driveway going across our property so that we could get to the piece of land we cleared to put up some outbuildings. In this video, we're going to get started on those outbuildings, and we're going to do that by putting in a foundation slab for the shed that's going to be the pump house for our well. And I want to start by saying that this is not a tutorial or a how-to video. We're new to this and we're figuring things out as we go. We started by leveling out the site, then putting down some gravel, building a form, and putting down some wire mesh to give the foundation a little more strength. By the time we got that done, it was starting to get a little late in the day, so we packed it up and came back the next day to finish. We just used 2x4s for the form for our concrete slab because we don't think we need a super thick foundation. The pump house or shed that we're going to be building is really just a shed kit from Lowe's. It's not super heavy, so hopefully a 4-inch thick foundation will be plenty. So we went to Lowe's and bought, I think it was 57 bags, 80-pound bags of concrete. And one by one, those 80-pound bags went into the cement mixer. Then we added some water. Then put that mix into the wheelbarrow and wheeled it over to where the foundation was going. It was a slow process and it took pretty much the entire day. Now, before we got started, we did do some research and we tried to follow the directions on the concrete bags as much as possible, but in a way, I feel like following the directions may have bit us in the butt a little bit. The concrete seemed a little too dry and set up a little too quickly, so that made it hard to screed and trowel and get it nice and smooth looking. So the first part of our foundation looks pretty rough. After that, we added a little bit more water to the mixture, and that gave us a little more time to pour concrete before smoothing it out and giving it a nicer finished look. So once we sort of got things dialed in, it went a little smoother, but it was still a long process, one bag after another, until the entire foundation was poured. It's not perfect, and I know some people in the comments will probably tell us all the things we did wrong and how we should have done it, and that's fine. Go ahead and comment if you want to. We're always looking to learn. Like I said, this is not a tutorial, but now the foundation is finished, and we can go ahead and put up a shed that will act as a pump house for our well, and then we want to get started on some additional buildings for a workshop, storage, and a number of other things. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.